If you give Oscar an orange, he won't have a sandwich to go with it. He'll probably get crumbs and juice on his hands, so he'll need to wash up. So you would have to help him to get a towel and dry his hands. Seeing the towel will remind him about how fun it is to go swimming. So you would have to take him to a pool. While he's at the pool, he'll want to jump off the diving board. When he is jumping, he'll pretend he's a daredevil parachutist in the circus. He'll ask you how fun the circus is and ask you to take him there. When you get to a circus, he'll see the clowns and want to dress like one. So you have to get some face paints. The face paint will remind him of a story he asked Elmer the elephant. He'll ask to take you to a bookstore to buy his own copy. And on the way to the bookstore, he will see a sandwich shop and decide that he is hungry. Again, he will ask you to get him a sandwich. Chances are, if you get him a sandwich, he'll want an orange to go with it. We stars by Laura Numeroff. We hope you enjoy your story.